This is Saxon making sugar scrub.
So I got an assignment to use a different ingredient from the kitchen to make something. So I got an idea. Since everybody's washing their hands like crazy right now, I thought it would be a good idea to share the recipe and instructions to make my Saxon Blots Espresso Patronum sugar scrub. The ingredients you will need to make this very simple recipe is coconut oil, brown and white sugar, sea salt, instant espresso powder, vanilla extract, some measuring spoons, and a mixing bowl. You will also need some jars or containers to put your sugar scrub in. Let's get started! I'll leave the recipe in the description. So we're starting with a half a cup of coconut oil. We're just going to give this a little whip with this mixer and introduce some air into it. So next you'll need to put in 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Then you're just going to want to mix it with your mixer or your spoon. So now you're just going to need to put in a tablespoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of the espresso powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're going to want to mix it all together with your spoon or your mixer. So once you got it all mixed, it should be about the consistency of wet sand. Now you can start transferring it to your airtight containers. This recipe makes a little more than 2 cups of sugar scrub, which is about enough to share with your friends. So in order to use it, just scrub it into your hand with a little bit of warm water and then rinse it off. This also works great as a shower scrub, but please be careful because it makes your shower very slippery. As always, Saxon Blots products look and smell good enough to eat, but don't.
The recipe.
When I make these to sell them at the craft fair, I usually put preservatives in... preservatives. Okay, no, these need a restart. That was... okay, again.
Ready, and we pop some of the molds. That was a blooper.